Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys how to build a knowledge base, your own personal knowledge base. On this AI era, information are so noisy. I think too much, if I may say, too much information out there, and AI just take it from for granted. So instead of using regular AI like Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, and so you can use this Notebook LM, because using this Notebook LM, you make your own knowledge base. So your personal knowledge base will be analytics, will be interact with AI. So you go to notebooklm.google.com and then you can click create new notebook. And then, for instance, after you create a new notebook, this will be shown. And then the thing is, the notebook LM will be grounded into your sources. So make sure you prioritize your own sources, your primary sources, like your data, your research, or anything, your own data, your table, and so. Prioritize that one. So you can upload that files into here. Make sure you upload once again your primary sources, and then also you can add your Google Drive, and then also the website that you trust, the most. Okay, once again, I remind you that the most important thing using this Notebook LM, you put the sources that you trust the most. Or basically, you trust the most means your primary sources, your own data, your own research, and so. And then after that, after you upload those files, you can use the deep research, which means this is the secondary data, the secondary sources. You can deep research through this one. Through this panel, instead of using Gemini or ChatGPT. And then let's say you want to research about let's say the pandemic trend. So search on the internet pandemic trend. Okay, and then you can click next, and then later this AI will search all over the internet to search the pandemic trend. After that, you can choose which are suitable for you, which are not, and then put on this source on this left panel. After that, you can check to your sources, and then the response will be grounded to your sources, which means if you put wrong on the sources, the AI response also would be wrong. Okay, make sure you build your own personal data. Your own personal AI. Make the good sources over here. Okay, and then moreover, you can explore the studio. You have these features like audio overview. You can create podcasts to overview your content. To overview your sources, and then you can create slide deck. This is basically like a PPT, or yeah, slide deck. And then video overview. This is only slide videos, and then the mind map if you want to deeply understand, and then the reports would be generate full report about your sources, and then flashcard quiz, and then what I love the most is infographic. So to make understand, not only understanding of yours, but also your your peers or your colleagues to understand what the sources or what your research of. So that's it, this video. I hope it's helpful for you. So just go to notebooklm.google.com.